Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply fix your PayPal something went wrong problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your app store, and now for example, as you can see, I've searched PayPal, and for me I'm having difficulties downloading it because of the non-availability in my region or whatsoever. But if you've already downloaded and if you're finding this kind of issues, all you gotta do is tap on the update option. That will be available if your app needs an update, and if you have already downloaded it. So if it's not updated, that can be the issue why you're having that problem. Simply update. Afterwards, all you gotta do is simply remove the cache files and simply reinstall it as well. You can simply reinstall the app, or you can simply go to static settings, go ahead, scroll down and search for your PayPal app. For example, I'll take any other app for now. For the references, like I will go with the app available with me, right? And once I have done that, I'm gonna go to the section of, now once I the settings, you're gonna go to the search bar and simply search in storage right over here, and from over here simply gonna select your app. For example, I'm going to show you with any other app of mine, and then tap on this offload app. Simply offload your particular PayPal app of yours, and you will successfully be able to solve out the problem, and you're good to go. So that's how you will be able to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.